So here we are. Today is Mark's last day here on vacation. He has to go back to Hawaii to take care of the coffee shop. It's very loud, that car wash over there. So since today is Mark's last day, we are going to get to go up in a helicopter. It's been a week of fantastic adventure between skiing, Disneyland, and what a way to end 2016 than with a helicopter flight with none other than the grand pilot, Tia Rico. We're just hanging out at the office here at JJ Helicopters, waiting for my brother to work on his logs. Can I try, Sarah? I've always wanted to try one of these.
Be really extremely please careful.
I promise.
Okay.
I'll be extremely careful.
I'm gonna make you sign
a waiver.
A waiver.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
He got really hurt. He broke his
wrist
with an exposed fracture.
Wow.
Wow. Look at
Don't flex your knees.
Okay. Keep it straight.
Yeah. Keep it straight.
My foot? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
okay.
pretty much yes.
Wow.
Just,
Lucky for you, have good balance.
yes. Good.
It's a core workout.
Casey Neistat.
Relax. Don't be so tense.
Okay, don't be so tense.
Yeah.
Casey
Don't I
Neistat.
look relaxed?
If you do that,
Yeah, well, thanks for letting me borrow it. It was super cool. All right, this is it. We're excited.
Warm clothes, it is a little chilly out
Okay,
there.
gearing up.
Yours truly flying over Malibu.
Oh, hey, look at that. I know that guy.
We're gonna walk across the tarmac here for a little bit, so just keep your heads up. Make sure that someone's holding his hand.
Okay. So this is legitimately one of the most exciting days of my life, because I've never been in a helicopter before. Of all the fun things I've done in my life, I've never flown in a helicopter. And who better to fly with than my brother, Rico. So this is Torrance Airport.
Yeah, Torrance. Zamperini Field.
Is this amazing? Holy moly. This is so cool. What a treat.
I'll give you guys the rundown on all this stuff.
Best New Year's Eve present ever.
Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Lift off.
But let's take a quick picture with everybody.
Okay. Let's do it. Cheese, Roshaka, cheese! Here goes the best! Okay. That was amazing.
Santa Monica.
Picked up a bum.
Hi guys. Happy New Year.
No, that's Katrina. No, she's not the bum. She smells nice. Yeah, we're hanging out with my brother and his girlfriend here in Santa Monica. We're gonna, visit the local watering hole to celebrate New Year's Eve. Yeah, and I know it's a little early in the day, but it's New Year's Eve. Oh, Santa Monica.
I did the same thing.
First, a stop at the local pie shop. All right, let's stay safe, people. It's a great New Year's Eve. We picked up this homeless guy and we thought we should feed him. So we took him to the Aussie pie shop. So Rico, what year was it that we moved back to Santa Monica from Cape Cod? 95? Yeah. And we used to rollerblade on the promenade. Yeah. Yeah. We were sweet rollerbladers, yeah. Yes. What do you think? Ah.
Can you dance the jig?